So I wanted to start out the stream. We're going to talk about the patch notes, okay? Because we do this. People like to hear my opinion on the patch notes. They oftentimes ask me, King, what's your opinion on this thing that happened? And I'm like, I've already mentioned it 1,500 times on stream. So we just make a video about it. We just talk about it. So if you guys were wondering what happened today, what happened is they fixed the running gun. Or did they? We're going to load into the game. We're going to showcase what they did exactly with it. Was it good? Was it bad? I'm going to tell you, it definitely wasn't bad. But I think that it's still probably an issue. Fixed is the kind of word that they used. So here are the patch notes, right? Like if you're wondering, weapon updates, this is part of it. It says rifle movement accuracy update. Bulldog, Guardian, Phantom, Vandal. I don't think anyone really complained about the Bulldog Guardian, but Phantom Vandal was pretty big an issue. Phantom specifically, the Phantom running gun was actually pretty nasty. What they did is they took the running error and they increased it from 3.75 to 5. Now, that probably doesn't mean a lot to you because it doesn't mean a lot to me. What that means is that they increased it, so it's supposed to be less good, right? The problem is that you could pretty consistently run and gun with a lot of these agents or a lot of these guns, for example. So like you could run around and you could shoot people, and supposedly it used to be like this, you know, like it was close, but now it's like this, you know, so it's supposed to like be really spread out. It's supposedly supposed to be fixed, but as you can see, I'm still killing people right here. Like people are still kind of dying, right? I think I came to my conclusion. I don't know if this is true, right? I'm not a developer. I'm not a scientist. I'm just a dude who complains in his basement about things, right? But like, I think the issue with the run and gun is the height that it gets capped on it, right? So when I spray a gun, you'll notice it goes to a certain height and then it'll just like, it'll keep going back and forth, right? We can do that again. Just goes back and forth. So at this height, it's pretty much capped. Like at that height, it just stops going any higher. And I think this is part of the issue with run and gun is that what I do is I'll pull down to like this level, and then like my bullets will like pretty frequently just hit the head, you know? I can just run around and it's the same thing with run and gun. Notice how my bullets aren't going any higher than the headline when I'm doing this, right? They get capped at a certain height, and I feel like this is part of the issue with it. I just aim at a target and then I just kind of like hope that my bullets hit them, right? I feel like the bullets should be going like a lot higher when I'm running. Like they should be going like all over the place, you know? But like my bullets are going like still pretty much to where I'm aiming. There's a little bit of variance, but like I can still kill a lot of these dudes. And it's like when you have a guy like just swinging around a corner and he just kills people. Like my bullets are still hitting him, right? They're still hitting him. Apparently they reduced it while crouching too, but like notice how it's definitely not reduced a lot. So I don't really know. At close range it works, okay. Yeah, but that's the point. Nobody's run and gunning from a far distance, right? Like I guess this is what it fixes, is that if you're really far away, you're not gonna run and gun somebody. It's gonna be hard to. I did just kill that bot. But it could still happen, you know? I'm not worried about the far distance. I'm worried about the close up. Because like when somebody's like chilling like this far away from you, and then they just like sprint around a corner and they hit you with one of those, it's really frustrating. You want me to turn it's not gonna matter, homie. Also, I can't press F2 on this keyboard. Well, I guess I can. F2. Even so, it's still gonna be kind of nuts. Yeah, at this range, it's still pretty easy. It's still pretty easy at this range. You guys are really interested in me turning infinite ammo off. There you go. Here's your infinite ammo off. So that was the first patch. If you're wondering if they fixed it, I don't know if it's fixed. I guess time will tell. It seems like, so what the Counter-Strike community wants is that they kind of, it seems like they want it to be impossible to kill somebody while running gunning. And like in a sense, that's how it should be, right? Like that's what takes skill in the game, is learning how to like do the movement and everything. Learning how to like stop when you shoot in Counter-Strafe and like all these mechanics and stuff like that. Making sure, like, the RNG aspect of it is kind of frustrating. I did get run and gunned earlier in a game today, and I made fun of the Sova who did it, of course. I was like, man, at least RNG can get you kills. But no, I feel like it is a different game. So like if run and gun is a possibility in the game and that's what they want, if that's what they feel like is healthy for the game, I guess maybe that's the direction that they're going. I don't know why it couldn't just be nerfed into the ground though. Like take this 5, make it like a 15. You know, like just make the bullets go everywhere. I'm not a genius though. There might be a good reason for why not. Here's another big change. They didn't just change the running gun. What they did is they increased the effectiveness of rank rating convergence, meaning players will converge to their matchmaking rating faster. I didn't just come up with that, or I didn't just change that sentence for you. I just read it. Basically, what this means is that if you're playing really well in a game, you're gonna rank up a lot faster, which is what a lot of people wanted. People complain about Smurfs. This will effectively deal with the Smurfing issue, but not only that, it's gonna help sort out the fucking MMR issue that is an absolute nightmare that is plaguing my life, dude. I'm chilling in D1, D2 right now. I can tell you from firsthand experience, everyone is a bot, dude. I can't aim for shit, but at least I'm not stupid, man. At least I'm not stupid. But like, oh my god, everyone I'm queuing with in these games, they have no idea what they're doing. They're so dumb. They're so incredibly dumb. It is crazy to me. They don't understand like basic mechanics. Nobody understands pressure in this game. Nobody understands defaults. Nobody understands trading. Nobody understands anything, dude. People just they hard push a site, and if your hard push works better than the enemy team's hard push, then you win. That is how you win in this game. There's no strategy. There's no nothing, and it's pissing me off, man. It's not fun to play. Okay, I've been pissed off with the game recently because of this. The game is not fun when there's no strategy involved. When I'm just running at people hoping to outgun them, I don't like that. I like to incorporate strategy. I like to do tactics. I like to set up defaults. I like to play intelligently. I don't like just running at them and hoping that I win. Okay, that's my rant. If you're in lower ranks, this will deal with Smurfs better. If you're in higher ranks, my hope is that I maybe will eventually be able to queue with smarter players, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. I think I'm too bad at the game right now. I think I still gotta get better, but at least I'm not stupid. Okay, that's all I'm saying. Look at the matchmaking rating in this. We have 2 immortals on this team, and then there was a gold 3. How he can't even queue with the D1 in this game? There's a D1. He can't even queue with him. The only one that he could possibly queue with was me on my Smurf right here on my Plat 3 account. And I'm not even queued with him. I'm not even queued. He's just a random gold 3. Ended up in this game with 3 immortals. Come on, guys. Come on. What is going on here? They also fixed some bugs. I don't see anything notable other than Omen's Shrouded Step got fixed. So now he's not going to TP into walls. It would clip onto walls recently, and it's been really frustrating. So if you played any Omen, you probably experienced this. It's really annoying when this happens. So I don't think there's any other major bugs that are worth mentioning. But that's pretty much the whole patch. Fixed matchmaking, hopefully. Diamond 3 players can only queue with a party of 2 now. That is to be like make it so like they're moving into Immortal or something. I don't understand why the change, why it's necessary, but I understand why 2 players is necessary, 2 max. I think that this is a good change. I actually like this a lot, but I don't understand why they chose D3. Why not like D3 over D2? Why not D2 now? Like why not D1? You know, I don't know, man. Well, just make 2 separate queues. I guess that would like make the queues longer, so they don't want to do that. But it's weird to me. They changed it to D3 so you can't stack to Immortal. Yeah, but now you can stack to D3. So it's like, why didn't they just do D2 as well or D1? You can make that argument for any of the ranks, right? I read their reasoning. I just think their reasoning's bad. I think that like they might as well just make it so you can only duo queue. They might as well. Anyway, that's gonna do it for the patch notes, though. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel down below. Do all the things. Follow us on Twitch. Do all the cool things. I freaking love you, and I'll see you in the next video.